Well, thankfully, the vaccination rate, it's going up, but it's been going up slightly, but not enough to flatten the curve. In fact, doctors say more people are getting hospitalized and infected at a much faster rate than they have at the start of the pandemic. With less than half of the eligible population vaccinated, doctors are pleading with the public to trust them when they say the vaccine is not only safe, but our only way out of this mess. Doctors say one of the excuses they hear from patients who were not vaccinated is that the vaccine is only approved for emergency use. If that's your excuse, doctors say you'll be happy to know the FDA is expected to grant full approval to the Pfizer vaccine by the end of this month. Another excuse doctors are hearing is that the patient already had COVID-19 and believed they were immune. Dr. Stephen Threckeld of Baptist Hospital explains why that assumption is wrong.
So there are pretty good data that even in people who have the past infection, and that immunity may last quite some time for people who have been infected. The problem is that it's lasting against something that no longer exists. You don't have the Wuhan variant or even the Alpha variant anymore. So your immunity to that is going away, not because the antibodies are waning, not because immunity doesn't last a long time, but like the flu, next year's flu is not going to be as worried about your last year's antibody to last year's flu. And it turns out that the vaccines seem to do better at that so far. But all the data would indicate that you're better off with the vaccine than you are with yesterday's or last year's natural immunity.
And the vaccine is available for free at more than 100 locations in the Memphis area. That includes Kroger, Walmart, and Walgreens. The city also offers free vaccinations at the Pipkin Building and at special events. Anyone age 12 and up is eligible to get vaccinated. Now, doctors acknowledge there is probably going to be, or there is a large group of people who probably will never get vaccinated, but their hope is to reach at least the people who are on the fence. That way they can hopefully slow down the spread. Reporting live, Quimitra Wilborn, WREG, News Channel 3.
Quimitra, thank you. And until